House for sale by Scopas Real Estate and Construction. Located in eastern Paros, in the area of Tripiti. Building of 45 square meters on a plot of land with a total surface of 1,125 square meters. According to current building regulations, this land has no additional capacity to extend the building or to replace the current building with a new structure. With its great views, and with renovation work, this would make a cozy island getaway for those wanting a quiet place to get away from it all. Southeastern orientation with an expansive sea view towards Naxos. All networks are available for connection. Access by paved road. 9 kilometers from the airport. 17.7 kilometers from the port of Parikia. 1 kilometer from Tripiti Beach. 580 meters from the sea.